there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. It's Thursday, it's September 15th of 2022, and we are here on location to give you an update. Right behind me is Lake Mead. I know that we've heard an awful lot about how the drought is affecting the American West here, and as you can see that white all the way around the edge? That is where the water has receded, and it is down extraordinarily. But we came to this lookout so that you could try to get an idea of what it looks like back there. So anyway, I wanted to let you all know a little bit about what's going on with Princess today. They have an update to their COVID protocols that is dated September 14th, and I know that it came out late yesterday because it wasn't there earlier. And they have really updated what is on the enhanced voyage list. So the requirements for the enhanced voyages have not changed. Those remain the same. But the voyages that are going to be on that list has been reduced dramatically. So based on what that is showing today, everyone going on those Panama Canal cruises, those are not included. A whole bunch of transatlantics, those are not included. They title it sailings from Los Angeles, Vancouver, and Santiago, Chile, and they only list cruises through the end of the year. It is predominantly covering cruises that go to Hawaii, Tahiti, and the South Pacific, as well as like the sailing that goes around Cape Horn for Antarctica that leaves out of Chile there in December. It doesn't talk about any of the cruises in January of 2023, so I think that's a huge step forward. So I am really excited to hear what all of you say about any additional information that you receive from Princess. If you're booked on these bookings, you were notified that you were going to have that booster and that testing, let us know what you hear, would you? Because I think this is huge. I am really glad. Now, I do want to point out, so many of you have mentioned, the sun is coming up here, so many of you have mentioned, though, that Greece is not requiring that in-person testing. Some of the other cruise lines aren't, but you know what? Princess has not updated that yet. And so I'm keeping my eye on that for you as well as everything else, but I thought that was a big step forward. Another thing that's very important to note is the other day I got an email from one of our Let's Go family members just yesterday, and she just recently recovered from COVID. Now, without even dating an update, Princess has changed what their wording is there. They used to say that you had to have had COVID within 90 days and at least be done with it for at least 10 days before embarking on a ship, and you would just need to bring with you proof of that positive COVID test, as well as like a letter from a doctor, a certificate of recovery. Well, that is now gone. And so I am really thinking that they are really opening things up. And so if you are in that situation, I would suggest you call Princess and see what they say. The next time I have to call Princess for my own bookings or for someone else, I will see what they have to say about it, but it looks like things are much looser. It looks like you're just going to have to show a negative COVID test and you'll be ready to go. Another thing I wanted to let you know about is what's going on with the Grand Princess. The Grand Princess was set to set sail out of Vancouver yesterday afternoon, and she did not. Apparently there was a lot of engine trouble. Our Let's Go family member who was on board said that the staterooms were very, very hot, and but they were still enjoying themselves. And then this morning marine traffic showed that she is indeed underway. I think she maybe left, I don't know, maybe around midnight last night, but she is on her way now for that Alaska cruise. Finally, we've got a Let's Go family member that will be sailing this weekend out of Southampton on a British Isles cruise. She said that their port call in Guernsey has been canceled. She did point out that a lot of British places are mourning the death of Queen Elizabeth II, and so we will look for other updates. I am really excited that she gets to be there during that historic time. I'm really excited to hear updates from you and let us not only know how the cruise is going, but how everything is going there in London. And I really look forward to hearing from all of you. So anyone who is on a ship right now or recently off, let us know how everything is going. I very much appreciate you all. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you appreciate these updates, please give this video a thumbs up. I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.